Have you ever seen professional Revit designs with clean concrete, block work, or hardcore hash patterns, and wonder how architects create them? Let's be honest, the default Revit pattern can look very basic. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to download and add custom hash patterns in Revit completely free. And you can use them for floors, details, sections, and more. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Step 1. Download free hash patterns. First, we need the pattern file. I'll be downloading the file from cadhash.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Go to your browser, type cadhash.com. We have wood hash pattern, stonework hash patterns, brick hash patterns. Let's open the stonework hash patterns. We have a lot of them here. Step 2. Download the pattern files. I recommend you create a folder for it. Let's download this. We have it here. I will download this also. You can download as much as you like. Let's go to home. Here we have brick hash patterns. You can select it and download any of your choice. Now after downloading it, it comes in zip file. Extract it to a specific folder. Let me move them to this folder. Then select it, right click. Let me extract it. You can extract it with any software of your choice. Okay. Step 3. Open field patterns in Revit. Now let's bring the pattern into Revit. Click on Manage, Additional Settings, Field Patterns. This is where Revit stores hash and surface patterns. Step 4. Import the custom pattern. Click on New Field Pattern. Click on Custom. Click on Browse. Locate the folder you saved the pattern. Let me start with this. Open. Import scale. Let's reduce it. Let's use 0.01, 0.001. Okay. Now the name, you can rename it. Let's use bricks. Okay. Let's add another one. New field pattern. Custom. Browse. Let's select this. Open. Scale. Let's use 0.01. Okay. Hardcore. Click OK. You can import as many as you like. When you are done, click OK. Step 5. Apply the hash to a region. Now let's use the pattern. You can create a field region or edit a material. Let's select this wall. Edit type. Edit. Open the material. See the pattern. Click on pattern. Let's use bricks too. Click OK. Apply. See it. You can reduce the scale. Let's quickly create a section. We have the section here. Let's add hardcore here. So what you are going to do is to click on annotate, region, edit type, duplicate. We have the hardcore here. We have hardcore 1, hardcore 2. Let's use this. Click OK. Use the rectangle. Let's use 300. Finish. We have the hardcore here. And immediately your drawing starts looking much more professional. Note, if the pattern looks too large or too small, you can adjust the pattern scale, spacing, and orientation. This is very common when importing custom hash files. You can go back to Manage, Setting, Field Patterns, select it, Edit, then the Import Scale, edit it, click OK. If you are working with detailed drawings often, having a larger monitor really helps. I recommend the LG Ultra Wide Monitor 34 inches and the Logitech MX Master 3X. This makes your design much easier. Note: don't overload your project with too many complicated patterns. Keep your drawings clean and readable. Sometimes simple patterns actually look more professional. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thank you for watching.